Today is June the 3rd. We are on the airport bypass in Fort Nelson. We see a whole bunch of forestry trucks here. Not sure what's going on. They're backed in the bush there. There's no smoke here at all. As we can see, no smoke. This is as a firefighter, there's a rule, 3 o'clock, or is it, I forget, it's 12 o'clock rule. You get everything done before 12 because the big winds are coming in. The winds are coming in. There's no smoke here. It's kind of strange. You have all these things here. All these forestry trucks where there's no fire. We are about a kilometer off the Alcan. What are they doing in there? We are doing investigative reporting. My name is Dwayne Fred Lowe. To all the shut-ins, those that can't make it out, boys and girls, welcome. I don't want these guys to be starting anything in the bush here. So there's no smoke here right now. Just a heads up. Have a good day, everyone. Ciao.